Ricardo Cooking Show. I just want to give you a little tips and a little ideas of things, you know what I mean? Sometimes Chef Ricardo doesn't put up any video because I've been preparing things to share with my fans them. But anyway, I have something which I want to share with my fans and to just to remind us that, you know what I mean, sometimes we go to the shop and sometimes we buy things, or we bring it home, we put it straight to the fridge. You know what I mean? We ban that now. We're gonna ban it. From today, we're going to ban it because I'm going to show you certain things, you know what I mean, when you go to the shop, what you need to do when you're buying stuff from the shop. Alright, so this is want to be one of the first things when you're going to do. Look what you need to do. Alright guys, so from today we're going to be banning things when you go to the shop, buy it and come home, put it straight into your fridge or your fridge, not your freezer. You know what I mean, you can buy a freezer stuff, you're going to put straight to your freezer. But when a lot of people then go to the shop and buy tomato, then buy, you know what I mean, tomato, cucumber, and all these things, you know what I mean, spring onion, mixed pepper, carrot, and then just come and they say, you know what I mean, get rushing trying to get it straight into the fridge and all these things. We ban that. That gonna have a ban, you know what I mean. I just want to share with my fans and to say, when you go to the shop, you need to be careful of how you buy the stuff, where you buy it, how you buy it. Look at things and be careful because nowadays we doesn't know who been angling the things then. So be careful. So when you go to the shop, this is what you need to do. This is exactly what you need to do. Alright, look at this. And you know what I mean? All them things are like beans. Make sure you wash them off first. So that's how I want to get to my fans then. So basically I just come from the supermarket, yeah. I just want to say I just come from the supermarket, and you know what I mean, when I look at this, even the spring onion and all them thing there, there's dirt. Look at the carrot them, you know what I mean. I make sure I wash off my carrot, my pepper and all them thing there, you know. This is some chili pepper and this is some bean I'm buy. So basically I just want to give my fans them a few tips and ideas. Say please, when you go to the supermarket or even to the market and you buy your stuff, you see these things and these things, is someone use them hand and put them into a bag. Someone use them hand. Just imagine the person who even handle these things, use the lure, you know what I mean, didn't wash his hand and you might have said, oh, I don't see, I don't care. But you know what I mean, you're bringing germs, you know what I mean, into your fridge and all these things, and bacteria and all these things. So you know, it's good for you to wash off your stuff and put them in the fridge before you use them. So what I want to just simply say to you, best is to wash your vegetables before you put them into your fridge. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more stuff gonna come out, you know what I mean. Chef Ricardo always sharing ideas, tips and things which you can do at home. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.